Welcome to Brainfeed magazine. In this story, you will learn about Dr. C.V. Raman and his great discovery. Let's get started. It was Science Fair Day at Hello Kids School, and the hall buzzed with excitement. Students had set up exciting science projects all over the school hall. Sanya and Ajay proudly stood by their project on rainbows and were discussing how light bends through water droplets to create those beautiful colors. Today's extra special because it's also Dr. C.V. Raman's birthday, Ajay shared. Who's Dr. C.V. Raman? Sanya asked, curious. Their science teacher, Mrs. Sharma, overheard and joined in. Dr. C.V. Raman was a brilliant Indian scientist who studied light and made a groundbreaking discovery called the Raman effect. She continued, imagine shining a flashlight through water, and some of the light scatters in different directions. Dr. Raman's work revealed that this scattering could tell us a lot about materials. Did he get famous for this? Asked Ajay. Yes, Mrs. Sharma nodded. He won the Nobel Prize in Physics in 1930, the first Asian to receive it. Inspired by Dr. Raman's legacy, Sanya and Ajay returned to their project with renewed excitement, eager to share their newfound knowledge with friends and family. That brings us to the end of the story. Here you learned. Curiosity and exploration can lead to amazing discoveries that change the world, just like Dr. C.V. Raman's work with light. We hope you liked this story.